Hello students, as you are observing on board, today in this video we are going to discuss about multiplication of integers. Before we start to solve sums on this topic, we discuss some rules or some properties on operation multiplication of integer. First thing, always remember that if we multiply two integer having same sign, my word is very clear, having same sign, then output must be positive. For example, suppose we have plus 1 into plus 2, so answer is your plus 2. Clear? Now if we have one integer minus 1 and other integer minus 2, and if both of them multiplied, so answer must be positive. Means if we multiply same sign with each other, answer is always positive. This is the first part. And second part, if we multiply different sign, then answer must be negative. Answer must be negative. How we can find out? See, one is plus sign, other is minus sign. So answer is your minus 2. Or first is minus sign, second is plus sign, so then answer is negative. Hope this one is clear to you. Now, some other properties and important properties are, as you are observing on board, now we are going to discuss properties of multiplication. The very first property is your closure property. First one is your closure property. What is the meaning of this property? If we multiply two integers together, we also receive an integer as a result. This is known as your closure property. So we can say that product of integer is also integer. Product of integer is also integer. This is your known as your closure property. Means suppose 1 into 2, 1 itself integer, 2 itself integer. Whenever we multiply 1 into 2, what is our result? It's a 2. 2 is also an integer. Now second property is your commutative property. What is the meaning of commutative property? Commutative property says that whatever we multiply if we change the order, answer must be same. By changing the order. For example, A into B equals to B into A. No? Both give the same result. Third one is your identity property. Most interesting property, identity property. In identity property, if 1 is multiplied to the given integer, we have the same result. Means what? 1 into A equals to A into 1 gives you the same result A. So this one is known as your multiplicative identity. Associative property about bracket one, na? All of you must know about associative property. Means what? I am adding short. A into within bracket B into C equals to A into B within brackets into C outside the bracket gives you the same result. Now, this is your associative property. Next one and the last one is your distributive property. But for explaining this one, let me clear the board first. Distributive property. What is the meaning of distributive property? Remember, if we multiply an integer to the expression given in bracket with plus or minus sign, whatever it is, here I am taking plus sign first. So this multiplications gives you some distributive result. For example, means what? This A first multiplied to this B and on the same time this multiplied with the C. Likewise, A into B first, then sign plus is there, then A into C. So ultimately what we have? AB plus AC. If I explain this with example 2, 3, 4, take 3 integer, 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4. So what we have? We have 2 into 3 first plus 2 into 4. It's a 6 plus 8, 14. This type of property is known as your distributive property. Same property follows for the negative one. No? But here we change the result. No? 6 minus 8, answer is not 6 minus 8, it's a minus 2. Clear? This is known as your distributive property. Hope this one is clear to you. Now move to some questions. Now I am going to multiply two numbers, two expressions first. First is your this number, this question. I am simply adding the questions only. All of you search it from your book of the same type of questions. Minus 8 into minus 3 into minus 20. Because while solving, I will explain you some concept. See here, as we know that if two numbers of same sign multiplied by each other gives you the positive result. So here we make some pair. First pair, then rest one. Minus 8 into minus 3. There are two signs, so answer is always positive. 8 into 3, 24 into minus 20. Clear? Now this one is positive, this one is negative. What I told to you, that if two different sign integers multiplied by each other, then answer must be negative. So in this case, first we write down the negative. Now 24 is a 80, 0, 8 carry, 22 is a 40, 40 plus 8, 48, minus 4, 8, 0. This is your solution. Hope this one is clear to you. We follow the same thing. Now come to the part, this one. This is very interesting question. Minus 5 into minus 4. Almost every book I find this in integer multiplication of integer. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. I think you can see that what is the interesting part. Decreasing order with minus sign. So what I told you, that two same sign gives you the positive result. Here say check, there are too many negative integers are there. In this case, what we can do, we first count the number of times in negative sign comes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times negative sign come, or 5 times negative integers we have. So if there is a odd time negative sign is there, so answer must be negative. How this can say? Product of these two is positive, product of these two is positive, last one is negative, so answer is negative. But that is a tricky one. We follow the same concept what I discussed with you to solve this question, so that your concept is clear. Minus 5, minus 4, both are negative sign, so answer must be positive. 5 4 are 20 into. Now in this case, what I do? Multiply these two pair. Negative negative gives you the positive. 3 2s are 6, and then we have negative number. Positive positive, same sign, gives you the positive answer into minus 1. Now positive negative, it's a minus 1 2 0. So this is your answer. Try to solve all the questions given under the first part, simply multiplication of integers. Now move to the next question, verification type question. Now this is a question, and question says that verify the following. As we verified in last video, same way we can verify. We are unable to we are not going to shift any number on any side of equal to sign, but we perform the operation for verification. See over here. First we break the bracket, remove the bracket, so it's a 5 minus 2 equals 2. In this case also we remove the bracket, but 19 5s are 19 5s are 95, and then 19 2s are 38, but there is minus sign, so minus 38. Now what we have? 19 into 3 equals to 95 minus 38. Hence verified. Because both sides are equal. Hope this one is clear to you. Move to the next question. In this type of question says that find the value of x. So I am going to solve two questions. One is your minus x within bracket minus 3, another bracket gives you 12. Question says that find the value of x. Remember, only the value of x, not minus x. So first we check. If we multiplied both negative number, we have positive, so it's a 3 into x, 3x equals to 12. So x equals to 12. This 3 in multiply form, if you shift, it changes to divide form. X equals to 3 4s are 12. Now come to the next part. Next question says that find the value of this one. 20 into minus x equals to 100. So what is our result? Plus into minus, minus 20x equals to 100. Shift this complete minus 20 to that side. What we have? X equals to 100 divided by minus 20. So positive negative, negative, 25s are 100. X equals to minus 5. So likewise solve all the questions given of same type. Now only 2 word problem I discuss and complete today's video. Now in this word problem it says that Divya has rupees 60 in her wallet. Each day she takes out rupees 5. What integer represents the change in the number of rupees in her wallet over 6 days, after 6 days. So let's start. Initially what we have, rupees 60 in wallet, it says that take out rupees 5 each day. So after 6 day, remaining amount equals to 60 minus within bracket 5 into 6. It's a 60 minus 30, it's a 30. But question says what change? There is change of negative minus 30. So change means, so what is the change? Invalid. Change in valid is your minus 30. Means previously it was 60. So what is the change? When after 6 days we check that there is a decrease of minus 30 rupees. So answer is your minus 30. First find out, then change the language. Now today's last question, there is some figure based question. This question says, sorry, little bit line is maybe. So this question says that this is a type of an operation where we have a box is there, A box B equals to this one. Question says that find the value that is given. A box, value of A box is given. How you find value of A box? Now in this question says that find out the value of minus 8 box minus 2. Now, so how we find out? Just see. This represents A, this represents B. So in place of A, we can write down minus 8 into minus 2. A into B is there. Now plus minus 2 into minus 2 is there. Now minus 2 into what is A? A is your minus 8 into minus B. Minus B is your minus 2. Now minus 8 into minus 2, it's a plus 16. Minus 2 into minus 2, it's a plus 4. See here, first negative sign 2 into. See the second part, minus 8 into minus 2, it's a plus 16. So minus 2 into 16. Now 16 plus 4 minus 2 into 16, it's a minus 32. Now 16 plus 4, it's a 20 minus 32, it's a minus 12. This is your answer of this question. Here I make some mistakes of sign. Hope you can easily understand, because in the exam many of you do the same type of mistakes. That's why wantedly I make a wrong sign change. So let me explain where it is a mistake. This is your mistake. At the end it is given minus B. Minus B means what? First we write a minus, then place the value of B. What is the value of B? Minus 2. So what we can write over here? Minus of minus 2. No? But it is a common mistake made by you people. That's why I give you here so that you cannot make such type of mistakes in future. So it's a minus of minus 2. Now we can easily say all things are clear. Now it's a minus 2 into, here we can say it's a minus 8 into minus plus 2. Now see, minus it's a plus. Now our answer is your plus 52. Hope this one is clear to you. All of you complete exercise 1B in your fair copy. Now I think you can easily complete. That's all for today. Thank you.